next 30 seconds, learn how to become a super affiliate faster than ever before by using the power of GPT and this new software. It's time to introduce Super Affiliate AI, the software that has over 100,000 prompts already built in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Let's log in and select the hot converting affiliate product you wish to promote in one click. We direct link into all the major networks like ClickBank, JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Okay, so we'll choose this top selling offer on ClickBank. Let's copy the website as shown, enter it into the software and hit create, and boom! Within 30 to 60 seconds your campaign is ready to go. Step 2. Next we want to generate our promotional tools. We can select headlines, text ads, keywords, YouTube scripts, LinkedIn ads, Google ads or Facebook text ads. So let's create a Facebook ad. So we can select our target audience, our gender, our age group, and even tell Super Affiliate AI if you want a friendly, professional or funny tone. Step 3. Hit build and boom! Your amazing high quality ad is ready within seconds, and our software is so clever it even separates it into headline, primary text and description just the way Facebook likes it. It even displays a Facebook preview page opposite so you can see exactly how it likes. In one click you can copy to your clipboard or save to your dashboard. You simply point and click and our behind the scenes AI GPT works its magic. Humans, if you're watching this you should be very afraid. Without Super Affiliate AI you are a sitting duck, but with it you're light years ahead of the game. AI is the future, and when you plug in Super Affiliate AI you will be unstoppable. Super Affiliate AI can build anything you need in seconds. Facebook ads, Google ads, email follow-up sequences, keyword lists, LinkedIn, headline ideas, YouTube scripts in any industry you can imagine. Build incredible ads for your Super Affiliate campaigns. Build amazing content for your local clients. Build entire marketing campaigns for your own business. You're in total control. Watch this. I can create a YouTube script in a matter of seconds. Select the script length, enter the website I wish to promote, target audience, gender, age range, and what tone. We then hit create, and in seconds your YouTube ad script is ready. Look! It even creates director's notes, scene selections and much more. There are so many potential ways to generate income with Super Affiliate AI. You could head over to Fiverr or Upwork, charge $1,000 for 5 emails and get Super Affiliate AI to write it for you. Brainstorm headline ideas in a single click. Want to build a keyword list? Simply enter a few details and boom, it's done. Super Affiliate AI works in hundreds of industries. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's the future.